Hello?
Tyler.
What, nigga?
Is this really you?
No, it's Tay Diggs.
What the fuck, yo? I thought this was like some automated message or some shit.
Why the fuck? Well, yeah, I've automated messages just the last 2 weeks.
What's good, bro?
What's good, bro?
No cap. I love you. No homo, though. I'm at Chipotle right now, but I'm looking
What you getting at Chipotle, dog? What's your name?
My name is Mohammed.
That's fucking hot.
Thank you, bro.
What are you doing?
I'm about to get I'm getting Chipotle, bro. I'm hungry. On my lunch break.
That's nice, man.
Where you work at?
You want something? Go look.
Yo,
Where
hey.
you work, man? Where your job at? What city you in, nigga?
Do you work at Chipotle? Because we'll pull up. Never mind. I'm getting a new number from Fontana. Hello?
Nah.
Hello?
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 Wait, is it Tyler Creed?
Yeah. Hey, also, I'm on the phone while driving. This is illegal, huh?
No.
They don't got proof. This is actually green screen, idiots. What's up?
Bruh, no fucking way. Are you for real?
Are you for real?
It's time.
Wait.
Nigga, it's me. Nigga, talk with your stupid ass. They did it again. Oh, I have the other nigga on hold. Yo, Muhammad. What's up, nigga? Ah! You stayed on. Huh?
What's up? What's good?
Did you get your burrito?
Right now. No, I'm getting a bowl, bro. I'm about to order right now.
Oh, Muhammad getting a bowl.
Hell yeah, boy.
Yo, you're crazy. Yo.
Follow me back on Instagram.
Yo, I'll follow you back on your Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Can I get a...
I literally just hung up on him.
That was crazy. He was
Bro,
still on the phone.
he was still on the phone. I
He
didn't
said,
know
yeah,
he was
boy.
on that other line. Muhammad is a fucking trooper. That man know what he want. Damn.
Dang, up to his range.
I hope I want a good call.
Yeah.
Are you putting another filter on me? You put another filter on me?
Filter.
This is green screen, by the way. In the same, I perform at the BET Awards, and it's like, we got this green screen thing, and I'm not really driving. We're on a stage right now. Dude, stop. Don't go that way.
We're surrounded by green screens.
Nah, the green screens are good.
How they feel snake on the plane?
Dude, where's the other fucking call?
Just snake on the plane. Just one snake. Not snakes. Just snake on the plane.
Jasper, tell him a story while we wait for a call.
Story. What kind of story?
What you doing?
I'm just sitting down in the car. We at the studio on the stage, surrounded by. So we just waiting for some people to call the cell phone number, so we can talk.
Get in
to
the
them.
call.
Oh shit!
It's a nigga from. Hello. Hello. Nigga. I can hear this nigga breathing.
Wait, what?
What's up?
Yo, what the fuck?
You sound like a Tate or a Chad.
I am Trevor and I'm sick.
Your name is Trevor and you're sick.
You got the Rona?
Dude, congrats on the album.
Thanks.
It's fucking amazing.
Nigga, you talk like you got a job. A good one.
I do not.
It's okay, Trevor. I'm here with you, brother.
So. Jesus fucking Christ.
Where you at?
I'm from fucking Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's fucking hell here.
Okay, look, nigga, nigga, we was watching the Amish show the other day, and them niggas be in Pennsylvania, and is you buy that?
No.
I can't deal with him, man. He got to go.
It's the Amish show, and are you buy them?
Is you buy them?
What?
Talking and dumb nigga is really fun.
It's probably so sad. Like
I
said
did.
yeah.
No, he definitely should have said yeah.
It'll last a little longer.
Sometimes y'all gotta lie to get where you gotta get to.
I told everybody I was a dentist.
This is
Can't be
crazy.
doctor.
We really doing this. I should do this more often. There's too many calls. I want to get a good call. I want somebody to call and threaten to fuck me or something. Are you putting another filter on me? You think it's so fucking funny, huh? Funny.